past a school bus or what? Red, it's red, it's red. Jesus Christ. Whoa! What kind of dive was that? Uh-huh. Oh, Alexis. Oh, there we go. Yeah! Because Lexus. Because Toyota product. Yard house. What the fuck that is? Oh, that's when that happened. Shit. Yep. Boing. Good move, dummy. Boing is this whatever. Oh, here we go. Zoom. Yep. Green. Go. Duh. Trying to hit me. Don't roll a stop. Now it's run the stop right back. Now it's run the stop. Dude, just get... Oh, you picked a hell of a friggin' time for this shit. Yeah, just get the fuck out of the way, you dumbass. Honda, move! Move! Jesus H. Christ. I hate people like you. Somebody's in a rush. This looks like a queue jumper. Phone in hand. Yeah! Called that. What are they doing here? Just all around assholing. Yeah. It's a Lyft driver! Yep. And in the red, the Jeep. No. Lady, fucking go! Oh my fucking God, move it! There are... Sorry, I'm a little impatient today. was red. Ducom Electric. That's not how it works, BMW. Direct to the left lane, Subaru. Red light runners.
Closing their Chestnut Hill location. Everything must go and everything is on sale. For a limited time, experience their lowest prices.
The hell did you get to do back there?
70% off 141 uncountable lives. If so, you are not alone.
Good move, dummy. Nerds to go. Yeah. Nice, Nissan. And there's an asshole. Hey. Jesus Christ, douchebag. Need both lanes? What are you doing, pickup? Left, right, left, right. Just ultimate turret takeoff. There it goes! Hooray! Gee, you're trying to ride with the minivan there, bus? Christ's sakes. What the fuck? Asshole's problem. Oh, he's got kids on the bus too. Jesus Christ. Yellow. Red. And supposed to stop before you turn. Staring up. Oh, exit dive. Exit dive. Guess you weren't getting off? That was close. He didn't stop, and the van cut the whatever the hell that was off. Did he run the red? He or she, it, run the red?
Oh no.
What the hell is this? Did he just dive over to the left lane? No, he must have. tail lady. And nice dead Mercedes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck was that? Jesus Christ. God, what even... Yeah, you're in the stop sign. Pottery barn. And we're gonna roll a stop behind me. Yes, yeah, gonna pull out, accelerate. Oh, Toyota. They're on the stop. He blew through the stop. I wonder if that'll pick up. You roll it? Wait, is this a stop again? Or is this... Yeah, this one's a stop too, and two of them ran it. And he ran it. Jesus Christ. He rolled it. And he ran it. And Volkswagen behind me ran the stop. Ran the red, whatever. And, did you just make an illegal U-turn? And that wasn't a stop. And neither was that. Stupid asshole! Oh, was that a Toyota by chance? And you know, I was just sitting here thinking, oh, nice, they finally finished painting the line so people won't dive over like that. That's a stop sign. That's a stop sign. Is that really a no turn on red? Wait. Thank you. Check and see if that's a no turn on red back there. What kind of standoff are we having here? What the hell did you just do? She was just parked in the space next to me. There were two doors to this store. They got out of the car, went in the store, came back out, and got back in while I was sitting there. I'm so confused this morning, I really am. All this to do grocery shopping, for Christ's sakes. The hell, dude. Is there a reason for that? And for all you naysayers, I'm stopping. That minivan on my left did not. Ugh. Rolled it. Rolled it. Rolled it. Yeah, I didn't stop. her newborn picked today? Yeah! Are you fucking serious, douchebag? Fiat exit dive. Left, right, roll. Yeah. Yeah. That was red. It's a stop. Don't roll it. You nailed it. Let me see if he ran the other one too, because I wasn't paying attention. Yeah. It's a double stop here now, kids. I think he just blew that stop. And he stopped here because there's traffic coming. Roll, stop back there. Roll, stop back there. I bet she rolls a stop behind me. Place your bets now. I stopped, and there's no one coming, so I'm a-going, and she rolled the stop. Yes! No left turn, Stu. There's no left turn. There's no left turn. Toyotard. I got another white RAV4. A little bit too close. Let's see if she rolls the stop. And let's see where in front of me just rolled it. So tap the brakes. Yeah. Yeah, too late. And is that a roll or is that a stop? That was a roll. That was a roll. After all, rolling it back there, pardon me.